Tete baruega na tukamwera ithuĩ tubana ta atongoria Mount Kenya tumesimama imara nyuma yake turugamite nake na ndiraririkana be muthuri umwe Ngai amwige handu hega wetagwo Michuki ni atigire aratha akiuga mundu renda gutongoria kana renda kura cia Mount Kenya arie na Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta na koguo turamwira na ureugire abana to spokesperson witu gutina ungitui thiini wa Mount Kenya na kavinda gaka turauga Mount Kenya we are united tondu twina mutongoria witu na niwe turarumirira na njira kavinda gakinya ni agatonia njira andu matigoke with many political issues makemberiria kuga turenda atia ni twetereire kuigwa mugambo wa munene witu tondu is the undisputed leader of this region aciangi othe marenda ite kana marenda gwitwa spokesperson waturie wakati wa utafika lakini saa hii we know our leader and that is where we are na tukiaririo boro wa political parties ni turauga ithuĩ tubana ta andu a Mount Kenya ni uru tukue o uguo tuingirio thiini wa nyumba imwe kana nyungu imwe and I'm on record having said ni tukwenda ciama ithuĩ andu a Mount Kenya aria mena cio matikahinyiririo kucibunja aria mangivota ni mathondeke ciama ingi then after that tugie an alliance of political parties of Mount Kenya nigetha tuvote gwika demand tuvote kuga ithuĩ tubana Mount Kenya turenda atia iteikigayo tuge ni turenda PSs na ministers from Mount Kenya ni turenda parastatal heads maume Mount Kenya ni turenda besha ciuke mashinani gwitu so we cannot do that when we are just in one ship ni tukwenda tugie na bargaining power na tutigetikire kuvenio ati no tuthio uguo na ni tuonete uri andu mana kuona magatesho ona nginya kuingatwo thiini wa ciama so let us have a fallback tutirarega ore wothe urenda guka gutwetia kura ni okay we love over all of them no ni magatwira atiriri what is it that they have for us as Mount Kenya and I stand by that ati ni magatwira ithuĩ twihana Mount Kenya twi hamwe kiria matuigire ni ndu twina mbia twina kura tutingibeana kura uguo tutekumenya mundu aratuheki fani atiriri andu a Mount Kenya macemania enyewe metagwo tribal ni tuonaga aria angi tukona ciama from other areas magicemania ona kana magetana makarianira kwao mathina maitu ta andu a Mount Kenya ni unique na no macovirwo ni andu aitu in our own unique way mundu toy mathina maitu ndangihota gututeithia so for us to make a demand no nginya tukorwo twi united na tuko unitwo ni ciama citu mundu ndagaciite tribal kwi watho uria rugamagirire political parties ati gitwika kiama no nginya gikorwo accepted in at least 24 counties na gikorwo kina wabici as long as we have met that threshold what is the problem riria ithuĩ andu a Mount Kenya macemania twetagwo tribal no riria o maracemania it is okay we will not buy that